And welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Vlogger. So, hi, I'm so excited for today. Wait lang. Ayun, because based on the title of this video, yun nga, I'm going to unbox my ito, di ba, Paichi? My new laptop. Hi. It's the MacBook Pro 2020. Actually, I waited for my husband or for Paichi because that laptop was delivered in his office. Sabi niya, parang nakisabay siya dun sa boss niya na umorder nito. So actually, I don't know kung saan talaga umorder nito. But if ever, I'll find it out for you guys, and perhaps you can comment down below and ask me if you're interested, and then I'll answer that kung malaman ko kung saan. Kasi the past few days or the past few weeks, when we were visiting yung mga MacBook centers sa SM, sa ibang malls, wala pa talaga siya. Parang nalaman lang namin a few days ago na available na siya sa Philippines. And then Paichi ordered this laptop a day prior to today, or mga 2 days ago. Tapos mayroon na siya. And then dineliver, yun nga, dun sa office nila. So, I'm so excited. We really plan to get a new laptop, especially for myself. I've been using the MacBook Pro 2013. This one. Nasa mga video ko ngayon, background ko minsan. And feeling ko naman, I deserve a new laptop kasi expensive. Feeling ko naman, I deserve a new laptop, especially nowadays, during this pandemic, na diba, everything is online already. And plus, with my work, nauuso na ngayon yung telemedicine, and then yung Zoom, yung mga conventions, conferences, webinars, via Zoom. Everyone needs a laptop that is durable, dependable. In my opinion, yung talagang high quality siya. And kung bibili na lang din naman ako ng laptop, it's something na we have been depending on ever since. And since 4 years now, we are Apple users, so ito yung bibili namin. But for sure, iba-iba naman yung preferences natin sa laptop, so it's okay. Yung iba yung gusto nilang laptops, but for me, ito yung gusto namin. I am so excited! Para kung bata na, parang high school na kinikilig mag-unbox nito. So, yan. Eto na siya. Tapos, sabi ni Paichi, space gray daw yung color nito. And then, I realized, sabi ko, ano pa pag ibang kulay nito? Parang yun yung nakalimutan ko. Pero anyway, parang yun naman yung nakikita ko, parang space gray, and then may black. Hindi ko na alam yung ibang kulay. Before tayo mag-unbox, I want to say, hindi ako techie. Super wala akong alam sa mga ganito. Baka mamaya I will even invite my husband to explain yung mga sinasabi dito na mga specs. Kasabi ko naman, authentic ba to, Paichi? Tinanong ko siya, authentic ba to? Si Paichi, mas alam naman niya yung ginagawa niya. So, he researched the serial number daw, ganyan-ganyan, and okay naman siya. Ito yung MacBook Pro 13-inch. And we only ordered actually yung 256GB. I don't know, pero parang kasya naman na yata. Or tingnan na lang natin kasi ewan ko lang, baka magkulang. But then mayroon siyang 8GB memory. So let's open this one, this new baby of mine. Grabe, I'm so happy. Kumatigilan. Anyway, yan talaga. So, ayan, dito. I think dito naman yan, no? Wait, wala namang proper way of unboxing MacBook Pro. I asked my husband to be with me during unboxing. Nakapambahay lang daw kasi siya. Is this right even? Ano ba to? So yeah, the color is space gray. Ito, meron siyang ganito. I'm gonna take it off na. The weight of this MacBook Pro is 1.4 kilograms. So this is 1.4 kilograms. And sana by next week, 1.4 din yung malus ko na weight. So, pero nahin muna natin yung laman pa ng, yung iba pang laman ng box before sa, of course, the main cast. So, sa box na, besides dun sa computer, dun sa laptop, mayroon tayong cord sa charger to. And this one, syempre, yung pamphlet niya. Oh my gosh. Na usually, kung ako to, hindi ko to babasahin. But, dahil interested na ako dito sa MacBook Pro na to, babasahin ko to. Trust me, I'm going to read this one. Pero, and study this MacBook Pro more. So, yun. And may sticker daw. Sticker. So, next is ito. And, Paichi, what's this? Anyway, charger. Alam mo, sorry talaga sa mga tao na nanonood. I'm really, like what I've said kanina, I'm not techie. I don't really know some of the terms. But I'm trying na lang. And I'm also asking my husband kung ano ba yung mga ganito, ganyan. Kagaling din naman ako eventually. Let's close this one and let's go to the what I said a while ago, the main character. So this is the 13-inch MacBook Pro 2020 for a comparison of the past na MacBook Pro. Ang laki niya. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. Ta-da! Let's open it up. Yan. May ano pa siya. Ganito. And, oops, automatic siyang nag-open. What's happening? Kita nyo, automatic siya nag-open. Grabe. It asks for the language that we're going to use, and of course, Paichi, English na, UK, Australia, India, and then proceed. Saan? Country? Actually, alam nyo naman yun. Set up your Mac with voice over. Customize them individually. Preferred languages. Oh my gosh, what's our Wi-Fi password? Okay, so let's set up our Wi-Fi. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. So yun, connected na tayo. I think connected na tayo sa Wi-Fi. It took a while for us to be connected, but we did. It was successful. And then next is yan nga, data and privacy. Enable Ask Siri. Of course. Select your language for Siri. English. This helps Siri recognize your voice when you say, "Hey Siri! Hey Siri! Open the Documents folder. Hey Siri! Show my downloads. Hey Siri! What's the weather? Hey Siri! What does the rest of my day look like?" Not now muna to. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases. Wow! Choose your look. Light, dark, light. Sige, light. Finally, tayo ay nasa setting up your Mac na. Ito na! I'm here na! Ano siya dito, oh. Look, oh. Oh! Oh! So this one, yung brightness. Brightness. The touchpad is bigger. Keynote. My very favorite iMovie. Ito. What's that? Oh, tas yung mga volume, yung stop, yung forward, yung okay. And then the volume here. Okay. nice one. Basically, parang yung dating Mac na mga applications. I've already opened the laptop and somehow, hindi ko pa siya masyadong na-explore. But pinakita ko na naman, basically, yung mga features ng Mac, yun na yun. Hindi ko pa talaga siya masyadong magagamit because kailangan ng USB port. So, I'm still going to buy that one. I bought this, shall I say how much? Or you just comment down below and ask me na lang, no? But kung ano yung price dun sa Apple, yun na yun. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys kahit somehow shared my excitement in having a new laptop, especially this MacBook Pro 2020. And sorry kung masyado akong excited, para akong bata, pero yun talaga yung totoong nararamdaman ko. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And if you want to say something or anything, you just comment down below or notify you with my new uploads, then click the notification bell. And see you in my next vlog. Bye!